What's up, guys? So, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope you all are safe at home and really taking good care of yourselves. I know it's a very tough time, but I think this is the right time to do all those things that we've been meaning to do for a long time but not able to do. And one such thing is me filming this YouTube video for you guys. So I got my hands on these amazing set of products by Himavan Beauty, and I've spoken about it and posted about it a lot on my Instagram handle. I've added a link down below. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of hair care products and do a review, and I'll be doing a skincare products review in my next video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. These are the range of products by Himavan Beauty, and there is this scalp beautifier with goodness of nature Aqua Pro Hair Gel. This is rich in natural lavender and exotic aromas. The Aqua Pro Hair Gel treats dry, weak, thin hair with regular sittings. It rejuvenates the hair to prevent from damages caused due to stress. So this comes in an MRP of $9.99, and this is basically the procedure to use it is massage a dollop on the scalp followed by application on hair, and it's got wheat protein, panthenol, argan and nut oils, which are amazing set of oils. So I'm going to begin first using this Aqua Spa Glycerin. What I'm going to do is I'll be taking a drop of the Aqua Glycerin. You can take it in any container of your choice. I've taken about this much, okay, and then I am going to add this scented steam, and you're just supposed to be adding, like, I've added about 3 drops of the scented steam. So this is basically for softening blocked pores, blackheads, softens oil clusters, improves absorption of anything that you do. So here my base product is this Aqua Glycerin, and the oil basically enhances that entire function. So this is to be applied only on the scalp and the root areas, not the strands of the hair. For the strands of the hair, I'm going to apply the Aqua Pro Hair Gel. So let's get started with this first. I just mildly take this and I'm going to start applying to the roots of my hair. So it depends on your hair length. The longer hair you have, the more you need to take the product. I've actually postponed my hair wash because of not being able to film this tutorial, because I was like, let me film this and then I'm gonna do my hair wash because I want to show you a before and an after. So please ignore my really damp and moist and drippy hair right now. I normally do this before shampooing, so I do this like once a week. It works as the perfect hair spa, and I think I'm gonna be needing more. So I'll take a little more of this. Yeah. And I've added here I'm adding my steam. I've taken about 3 drops, okay? Pardon my oily face, guys. I've got the Blossom Skin Glow oil on my face at the moment, again by Himavan Beauty, and I'm going to add a link to the same, and I'm also going to film it in my next video. If you see, I'm just adding it to the root of my head, not the entire strand. Once finished putting it to my entire root area, I'm going to just massage it so that it's evenly spread out. That's my last bit left. So and then first I'm going to massage this entire thing before applying my Aqua Glycerin for my hair length, because I want this to be evenly absorbed into my root and it opens all those clogged pores. So I want to tell you guys something about myself. Before I review any product, I request the brand to send in the products in advance so that I have enough time to first review it on a personal level and I'm satisfied, and only then I go ahead and film it. So I've already tried this before and I cannot wait to show you the results. Okay, so I'm done putting my glycerin. Okay, and now I'm going to go with the Aqua Pro Hair Gel. So this is what it looks like. I've already finished like half the box. So you're supposed to be using this, like you take a dollop. This is how much I take. And I'm gonna put it on the length of my hair, like you milk a cow. So that's the way you're supposed to be applying this. I have long hair, so I need more quantity. If you have shorter hair, please take lesser quantity. This doesn't take too long because you can take big amount of hair together and just keep squeezing it like you're milking a cow. Basically, that's the technique with which you're gonna apply this. This is precisely a hair spa regime that I follow once in a week. You can go for 2 times in a week as well, or once in 2 weeks. It's completely upon you. And now I'm done applying the product to the entire length of my hair, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to do a hot turban therapy now, which means I'm going to take a towel and I'm going to just wrap it around my hair and just let it be for about 20 to 25 minutes before I shampoo, and then I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like after I shampoo. I've shampooed my hair and now I'm going to just towel dry it for about 5 to 10 minutes because that's how I like it. I don't just shampoo and wipe my hair and then blow dry, because I like to do like a little bit of a towel dry and then I go in for a blow dry. That's how ideally it should be if you're going in for like a full intensive hair spa kind of a regime. So I have let it be for 5 to 10 minutes and I'm going to show you guys. So my hair smells divine. I mean, the products have so many natural ingredients in them that it gives that really divine and fresh fragrance, as if just full of herbs, and there's a very different feel to products when they have a nice aroma. I mean, that's how I like my skin and hair care products. So my hair already feels so damn soft. I mean, I really hope I can show you guys through the lens. And now I'm going to quickly go and do a little bit of a blow dry so that you can see the complete texture, because that's the best way to show it to you. So I'll be back after doing my blow dry. Until then, I mean, if you can see my hair, it's slightly damp even now, but you can see, I mean, I think you can clearly see the silky soft smoothness. So I've just slightly blow dried my hair and like really mildly, and this is how my hair looks now. I think you can see the silky soft smoothness. It's pretty virtual, and I can definitely tell you guys I have done the best of hair spas. But if you talk about a in-house hair spa, I think this is the perfect set of products to use, because this is, I guess, the third time I'm using it and I'm super happy with the results, because I was hardly on for like 20 minutes and my hair feels so fresh, it feels so nourished, it feels so clean. Like, there's this quick clean feel that I get, and of course it smells divine. That's a completely different 100 points for these products. So what I want to particularly say is that before I did this regime, my hair was really damp and it had this rough texture, but I literally can feel the texture changing. Like, it is so amazing. The textures change, it feels so smooth, and lustrous actually. So I haven't put any serum yet. I haven't put any hair mist or any product besides what I showed you guys earlier. So if you're about to style your hair further, I suggest you can put a slight serum and then you can go about doing your straightening or your tonging or whatever else you want to do. But I'm not really doing any styling at the moment, so I think I'm good to go with this. And yeah, I mean, I am super happy with my hair right now, and I would really want all you girls to try out this particular regime. You can go 2 notches ahead, and you can actually oil your hair before going and doing this entire regime. So for if you're oiling your hair, I suggest that you can put this aqua glycerin, and you can put this particular product, which is Kesh Saundarya. Again, it's by Himavan. You can put this about 2 drops each into your regular hair oil, and you can nicely massage your hair. And once you're done with that, then you come back to this regime wherein you're adding aqua glycerin and you're adding the steam, and then you're putting it on your roots and massaging it, and then you go ahead and put this product, which is the Pro Hair Gel. So what this will do is it's going to give like a complete intense therapy to your hair spa. So if you guys want to know about all the other Himavan products, stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to be showing a complete review and demo on their skincare range. I've added the links in the bio. So if you guys have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share and show some love.